intro to that video. What's up, FASS Motorsports? So today we are back at the R&D facility. That's the truck, and today I think we're gonna wash it. We might try to start it too. We'll see. We'll see what we get to. But this is gonna be episode 2 of resurrecting the old land speed truck.
Where did the aux cord? Grab my phone.
All right, so we just hooked up a battery charger, and the stereo turned on. So we're gonna see if this thing will play after 13 years of storage.
Fleetwood Mac. Don't they have some good songs?
Sure, they got some hits.
I mean, have a touchscreen.
There's gotta be.
That's pretty. Oh yeah,
An aux cord somewhere.
You think?
Double stamp. You can't triple stamp a double stamp, Lloyd. You can't triple stamp a double stamp. Lloyd, you guys.
Let's see. Grown ass.
Jake, can you fit in there?
Terrible.
It's a good thing I hurt my neck yesterday.
Like pushing it through your soul. I'll get you guys some fresh air back there.
Still basically a brand new truck.
All right, so it turns out 4 grown men do fit in the cab, but I don't think we're gonna be road tripping it anytime soon. And also, the stereo works, but it was copyrighted music, Fleetwood Mac actually, so we couldn't play it for you, but yes, the 13-year-old stereo still works. Okay, so are we saying that the 13-year-old parachutes have to go?
Possibly.
Okay.
Thinking they're not going to pass tech inspection.
What do you think about these nitrous bottles? Will those pass tech inspection?
For sure.
For sure.
100%.
Oh, nice.
Simple greener down.
Right in my boot.
Looking Ferrari?
Yeah.
Huh?
RX, whatever.
You got looking like a Ferrari?
Black. They have black Ferraris.
Well, did you see the yellow badge on it and the 2 little tail lights? Kind of satisfying.
See what?
Kind of satisfying.
Dude, it really is. All right, so it turns out a little bit of simple green and a pressure washer is all you need to take off like 13 years of grime, and it's not going to be perfectly detailed, but we'll get there. All right, now that the truck's clean, we have to get the truck back into the shop. I think we got it figured out.
Adana çocuğu Aga şehrimin delisi. Olay büyük kardeş mevzu.
35, 100. It's not cable, so we're good. Alright, quick, hold the brake. Well, I'm gonna go back.
It worked. Extra GoPro batteries because we thought we were done filming, and then Josh decided to try to do wheelies in his Razor, and now Spencer's doing donuts in his Maverick. So this is the way things go at FASS Motorsports. Who says that peer pressure is a bad thing? The day kind of got away from us. We forgot to film an outro, but if you like this type of stuff, you're going to want to hit that subscribe button for the next episode when we try to get the truck started. That's right. After 13 years, we're going to try to turn over that 1200 horsepower, 5.9 liter Cummins with like 10,000 miles on it, just under 10.1. Again, if you like what you're seeing, be sure to hit the subscribe button and we'll have the next episode up soon.